Nagbabalik po ang News at 1. Nagkasundo na ang government at MILF Peace Panel sa draft ng Bangsamoro Basic Law. Ito'y matapos ang ilang buwang diskusyon, pagrepaso at workshop para mabuo ang isang katanggap-tanggap na draft ng BBL. Ipinalabas ng Office of the Executive Secretary ang joint statement ng Bangsamoro Transition Commission at MILF Chief Negotiator Mohager Iqbal. Nagkasundo ang magkabilang panig na isama ang resolusyon sa final draft ng Bangsamoro Basic Law na isusumite kay Pangulong Aquino. Layunin ng BBL na bumuo ng bagong Bangsamoro Political Entity, kapalit ng Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Nauna nang tiniyak na magkabilang panig na isusumite ang BBL sa Office of the President sa August 18. Target ng pamahalaan na maipasa ang BBL sa unang bahagi ng taong 2015.
Joint Statement of Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa and BTC Chair Mohager Iqbal. After a series of productive meetings involving the GPH and MILF peace panels, the Office of the Presidential Advisor for the Peace Process, the Office of the Executive Secretary, and the Office of the Chief Presidential Legal Counsel, we have concluded discussions on the various issues involving the draft Basic Bangsamoro Law, or the BBL, originally drafted by the Bangsamoro Transition Commission and submitted to the President last April. The parties have agreed that the resolutions arrived at by both parties will be incorporated into the final draft Basic Bangsamoro Law that will be prepared and submitted to President Benigno S. Aquino III.